Okay, next we're going to mount the motors. So let's start with turn the body upside down. We'll start with the motor on this side, which is actually, looks on the left here, it's actually the right motor for the Rabot when you look from the top. Sometimes these holes can have little burrs in them from the 3D printing, so the Torx tool is just about the right size. You can just make sure those are clear. In this case, they look pretty clear. Okay. Then I can take one of the motors, put it in with a wire facing the front. This is the tail, so facing the front. And the blue bracket's outside. And then you can take some of the hardware that came with the motors and just insert one of the screws in from the back. Now this is a real tricky part. Sometimes it may be good to get somebody to help you, but there's not much room to work in there. So the key is I'll take the nut and I'll grab it in the needle nose pliers, but you see I'm just about halfway, I've got about half the nut sticking out, and that's because I don't have much room to work with in there. I'll take the screwdriver and go ahead and hold it in place, hold the screw in place, and then I'm going to very carefully try to hold the nut in the right place while I turn the screwdriver and see if I can get it started. Okay, I did get it started, and usually it takes more than one try, but that's sort of the technique. And again, you just want to make it snug, don't over tighten. And then we want to do that for the other mounting screw for that motor. And of course, we want to take the other motor, put it on the other side with the wires again for the front, and then attach those screws.